Hi all, welcome back to Early Bird Ideas. Well, after a bit of gap, we're back with you presenting this new video. So this is an AI generated video. Hope you learn the best of it. Why we took this gap is because of exams. Like we had exams and the holidays we thought to make it, but it didn't happen. So I hope you learn more about this AI generated videos by this sample.
Hi, all, welcome to Early Bird Ideas. This video is completely generated using AI tools. That means this video script, avatar, audio, and video. Let me check this video. If you like, please subscribe. Creating a video with AI tools involves using various technologies to generate and enhance different aspects of the video. For instance, AI-powered image tools can be used to generate or enhance images used in the video. Voice tools can be used to create or modify the audio track, while video tools can be used to edit and enhance the video footage. To create the video, you would need to start by selecting the appropriate AI tools for the different elements of the video. You would then need to input the necessary data, such as images, text, and audio files, into the AI tools. The AI algorithms would then analyze the data and use machine learning techniques to generate or modify the content. Once the individual elements have been created or modified, you would need to combine them into a cohesive video using video editing software. This would involve arranging the images and video footage, syncing the audio track, and adding any special effects or transitions. Overall, creating a video with AI tools can help to streamline the production process and produce high-quality content with minimal human input. If you like this content, please like, share, and subscribe.
So now you saw this video, right? We can do this video through the AI text processing. We can create images, audios, even the lip syncing, even this video. So through AI, we can create applications, websites, games, and many more. We will discuss about all these things through AI in our next coming up videos. Thanks for watching. We will come back to you with more content like this. If you like our content, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Comment if you like this video or not. See you next time.